So today we are staking up our tomatoes. We're a little bit overdue on it. Some of the tomatoes are starting to dive back down toward the ground, so we know that we waited a little bit too long, but a lot of them are still good. But what we're going to do is pound in these stakes, these T-posts, I'd go every 2 plants. So 2 plants stake, 2 plants stake. And we got some twine, and we start at one end and wind around the posts, go on one side of the plant and then come back down the other side so that the twine is holding the plants from tipping over. And it works pretty well. We've done it several times, many different years. It's important to stake your tomatoes up. Obviously, they will just grow up and then fall over, and your tomatoes will lay on the ground, so that's why you have to keep them propped up. Some people use cages. I just don't want to have to keep 75 tomato cages laying around all year round, so we do the T-posts and the string, and it has worked well for us. So this is what I was talking about with the tomato being too overgrown to hold itself up. This one, it started growing up and it grew and laid down that way, and now I strung it up, but the top of it is like this now, but I think it'll straighten itself back out. So we're going to string it up and make sure we get another row about here, and that'll force it to grow back straight, and it'll want to reach up toward the sun.